Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself Rahul Krishnan. Today we are going to see a use case using UiPath Clipboard AI. So I'm planning to do a lot of series based on UiPath Clipboard AI. So today we are going to see how we can use this tool in a library. Okay, so in library and all, we can see how people used to do a lot of copy paste data, maybe to enter the details of a book, or who is taking a book based on the availability, all these details, right? So maybe they may be keeping some reference document, and from that document they may be inserting it to some application and all, right? Or just consider if the library is having some 10,000 or more than to that books, and if a huge a bulk of book is coming to the library, they will have to enter the details to some system, right, for the tracking purpose. So how they can do it? Either a person or the officer need to manually enter these details one by one, right? So for that, I'm trying to do a basic demo. So for that, I created a very simple web page, demo.html, and here you can see the title we have to enter, then the author name and the international book number, and publisher details, publication date when it is published, and this is the date format we have to enter, and genre or category, what is the category of the particular book, and description of a summary, and language of that book, and the number of pages of that book, and location or shelf number where we have to keep that book, right? So if you are inserting that to system, that will be helpful, right, for checking like where this book is, where we kept this book. And availability status, what is the availability? So initially if you are keeping it to a shelf, means it will be available, right, for the first time. And condition, what is the condition of the book? If it is a new book, we can keep it like new, or if it is an old book that we are going to purchase for a library, then we have to keep the status, right? So for that, this is a dummy application that I have created, and I have created a few dummy data as well. So here you can see the same details I have provided over here, but I have missed a few details, right, like the genre of the book, and description or the summary of the book. So all these details I haven't added in the test data, or in the data in the Excel sheet, right? So just consider if the distributor is providing you this list of data that you're going to purchase for your library, they'll be sending out some list like this, right, as per your request. But if you want to insert this data to some application, there we can use this Clipboard AI, right? So in the last video I provided you a brief introduction about Clipboard AI. So it is having the capability of specialized AI plus generative AI. So generative AI is nothing but like if you are providing a prompt, it can help you to generate new data, or it can give some description about the content or the prompt that you are giving, right? So in this demo also, I'm going to show you how this specialized AI plus generative AI is going to help you in filling up all the details in this particular form, right? So I'm going to take this as a reference data. So what I'm going to do is, we have this Excel sheet, right? So let me go here, and I already opened the Clipboard AI. So if you open this Clipboard AI, it will be coming like this. You'll be able to see copy cell and paste in Excel, like where you want to paste it. So it will automatically identify the application type, and it will prompt like whether you want to copy the cell, or whether you want to copy from a form, like that, right? But here the application is in Excel, that's why it is showing like copy cell. So what I'm going to do is, let me select this entire cell. Let me click on copy cell. Okay, so it is analyzing the data. So here you can see copied as Excel. Let me open up this web page. Okay, paste in Excel. I'm going to give paste in Excel. Okay, so since opening the page, we may change browser extension. You can automate internal browser page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because this is internal web page, right, that's why it is showing this error. Let me go to extension, go to our UiPath automation extension. Okay, manage extension, and here access to file URL is already opened, so we should be able to do it. Let me try again to paste. Pasting form is not working, so let me close it. Okay, let me open that form again. open with Google Chrome. Okay, now okay, let me install the extension for Chrome. Yes, okay, it closed. Okay, it's installed. Now let me open the application again. Okay, so this is a one-time setting. Like in my machine, it is missing. That's why it is throwing this error. Okay, okay. So if you insert, sorry, paste to this application, here you can see it will open up the mapper. Web mapper is opening. Okay, and here you can see what is the title and what is the author name, and ISBN details also copied from Excel sheet, and publisher details also copied, and what else is the, and the title, what is the language, that is also copied, number of pages also copied, and location also copied, availability status, condition also copied. But here few details are missing, right? Like yeah, here you can see genre of the book is not there in the Excel sheet, right? So I believe I haven't provided any genre details. Yeah, so genre details is not there, right? So what is the genre? So what I'm going to do is, let me give a prompt to identify what is the genre of the book. So here you can see it is already calculating the genre of the book. So it will automatically identify what is the genre of the book, and it will paste the same in the uh, web page, right? And regarding the description also, here you can see it has automatically identified description about the book. So if I want to give something, I can provide some details like a description about the book in detail. Okay, in detail I'm giving something like that, right? Or if you don't want to copy some data, what you can do, just disable this field, then this data won't get a paste over the paste in the application, right? So that's it. Let me try to paste it. Let's see how it is going to work. Okay, so here you can see it is pasting the title, then all the details, then ISBN, then publisher, publication. So here you can see, as per our form, it is in this particular date, right? July 11, 1960. But it automatically identifies the format of this field, and it changes the data to this particular format, right? DDMM YYYY format, sorry, MM DD YYYY format, right? And here you can see it has automatically generated the genre of the book as well, and it has automatically created a description about that book, right? And what is the language and number of pages where we need to keep the book shelf number. For this consider, if we don't have this data, what it will do, it will not enter this data, right? So manually the officer can enter these details and can click on submit button, right? And what is the availability status? If it is available, he can enter it like available. As I provided this data in the Excel, it automatically came like available. And condition, what is the condition of the book? If it is good, it is automatically taken from the Excel sheet, right? Or if it is a bad, then it will automatically keep it like bad based on the data I'm providing in the Excel sheet. So just consider, if it is a library and the distributor is going to provide the details, they can easily enter the data without manually copy paste this data, right? Data from Excel to that application. Automatically, Clipboard AI can understand the layout, and it can copy the data from Excel to the web page application. And if you want to manually enter some detail, manually we can enter that form and we can submit. We don't need to enter everything from the Excel to the application. That part will be taken care by Clipboard AI. Right. So one thing is done. So if I want to keep on doing the same process for an item, what I have to do? I need to click on paste data. Here you can see it is automatically entering the data, right? So this 1984 is the name of the book, right? Here you can see that is the title of the book. It's entering George Orwell, that is the author, and this is the ISBN details. So that is also coming from this particular row, and this is the format of the date. That date got changed to this particular format, and it has automatically created a description. And here you can see it has automatically identified what the genre of the book, right? So that is the usage of a generative AI in Clipboard AI 2, right? So this way we can easily copy paste the data. And essentially, if you don't want to open this tab, right? this you can hide in the application settings as well, in the Clipboard AI settings as well. So if I click on page checking, it will automatically paste the data. So if you don't want to open up this open mapper, what you have to do? This mapper you can disable in the settings of the Clipboard AI. Okay? It is pasting the data. Here you can see genre of the category is novel. See, it is copying one by one. Okay, so if you don't want to manually evaluate this, you can just disable that feature in the settings itself. Right. So this is how you can use this particular Clipboard AI for doing the copy paste operation. So this is just a dummy application and a dummy scenario where a copy paste can happen in a library, right? So in library there can be another copy paste operation that may be happening, right? So the people who are working on this area can just think about how we can use this Clipboard AI to implement this kind of automation. So this is not only applicable for library, like in all other areas, maybe in finance or HR, or if you're working on any other like IT operation side. We may be doing a lot of copy paste operation, maybe from an Excel to an application, right? So in this kind of situation, it's not mandatory like the input should be an Excel sheet. It can be either a form or it can be an image. Okay, from where we can read the data. So there we can use this kind of Clipboard AI automation. So let me open up an image. Okay, so just consider I have some images like this, right? So in a library, just consider I'm getting some images like this, and I want to enter the details from this image to an Excel sheet, right? So there also we can use this Clipboard AI. For example, let me show you one example. Okay, so this is just an example. This is just an image. Okay, so I'm going to copy a window. Okay, okay, here you can see copy to Clipboard AI. And if I want to paste the data in the Excel sheet, what I have to do? Just give it like a page in Excel, right? So here it will open up the mapper, and here you can see which type of extraction it uses. It uses a plain text. So if I want to change it to some different format, let me give it like a semi-structure. Okay, and here I can give the query, like what should be the query name of the book. Okay, then again I'm going to give one more thing, author of the book, right? So that's it. So here you can see author of the book is automatically identified, but name of the book is still empty. So let me try to change this one to a different extraction format. So let me keep it like a plain text. Okay, so here you can see name of the book is The Alchemist and author of the book is Paulo Coelho. So here itself you can see the recommended extraction method is plain text, right? So if you are thinking, okay, but the best method is specific document method, it will be using this model for doing the extraction, right? So you can choose that particular specific document and you can continue with that, right? So that's how it is working. So I have selected plain text. Just click on paste data. See, it has automatically identified name of the book, author of the book, and it entered the details, Alchemist and Polo, Coelho, right? So just consider if I want to open up the new book. So just consider this is a book, To Kill a Mockingbird, and author name is over there. I'm just giving copy window. Okay, I'm just going to paste in the form. Okay, so it has automatically captured. Name of the book is To Kill a Mockingbird, and author of the book is Harper Lee. Right. So here you can see for the first time it automatically created this header, and for the second time if you paste, it is just pasting only the author name of the book as well as the author details. So this is very simple, right? It automatically extracted the data from an image and it identified this is the name of the book and automatically identified this is the author, right? And it automatically pastes the data in the text as well. Right? So this is where the AI is coming to which it automatically identify what is the name of the book and what is the author name, using its intelligence, and it automatically capture these data set, and using the Clipboard AI we are just pasting the data to an Excel sheet. Right? So hope you are getting. So these are very simple examples where I'm just trying to show you the capability of Clipboard AI, and using this demo, you can understand where we can use this application in which you are putting a lot of effort in doing the copy paste, right? So I hope you are getting. If there is any confusion regarding this demo that I showed, please do mention in the comment section. I can help you. Please do this kind of process using Clipboard AI by installing it in your machine, and just try with the different types of documents, maybe PDF, Word, or even if it's a text file. You can try with the different input forms and try using different extraction methods in Clipboard AI and see how it is extracting the data and how much you can use the generative AI or the queries to modify your data. Right. So that's it for today. I'll be coming up with a simple demo in the coming session. So if you like the video, please share the video. Please give your valuable comments and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.